2945 at the Sheraton Centre Hotel in downtown Toronto. And coming in, of course, you have the no smoking in all the rooms and evacuation route. Good locking system. There's your thermostat. That's the bathroom. Coming in on the right here, you have a closet. Lots of hangers, ironing board and iron. Somewhere to put your luggage. Lots of room in here. Looks good. Nice wood hangers. On this side, you got a nice full-length mirror. On the right into the room, a little stool. It does pull out. That's nice. This room looks like it's been renovated. Artwork. Looks like it may be a 55-inch TV, maybe a little bit bigger, somewhere around there. 2 bottles of water you get if you're a Bonvoy member. A couple of glasses. Lots of drawer space. More artwork, in case you don't know where you are. Very like traditional but contemporary in here. It's quite nice. And then bedside lights. And this is good. They got a little arrow showing you where the charging port is. Right down here, you can see. Looks like a plug, a couple of main USBs, and 2 plugs? 2 power solutions. Oh, do I see a USB-C down there? Can't tell. What is that? Okay. These drawers. Bed feels pretty good. Mattress looks pretty good. Lots of space here, lots of space. Same thing on this side. They got the little plug outlet telling you where the plugs are. And yeah, that does look like a USB-A and a USB. Well, that one's plugged off, so maybe there's nothing there. Okay, light, another drawer, little phone. Is there a USB in the phone? I don't see anything. A clock and a USB on that side of the clock, and on this side with 1 amp and 2.1 amps. And it's a Bluetooth radio also, it looks like. Nice wall lamp over here, or floor lamp over here. Decent sized chair with an ottoman. Great workspace. Good leather chair. And a desk. Looks like you're going to have a boardroom meeting here. Another phone. Oh, that's interesting. And another light. And oh, what's this? Coffee is here. Oh, those aren't drawers. This is where your coffee is. So it's a Keurig, looks like a 1-cup maker maybe. How do I do this here? Nope, it's not, it's pods. So you get coffee pods, a couple of cups. And no fridge it doesn't look like, unless it's over here. Oh, yeah, there's a fridge here. Okay, it's hidden. And these are actual drawers. Oh, that's not a drawer. Oh, there's your safe. Okay. All sorts of little things in here. There you go. And I did notice that these are actual glass, which is nice. Yeah, decent sized room. Wow. Nice comfy bed. And then we are in Toronto, right across from Nathan Phillips Square. This is our view. You can see the Toronto sign down there. That's a skating rink in the wintertime. That's the City Hall of Toronto, looking north. Good view. And if anybody wonders, there's parking at the hotel, it's valet, but down there, that is underground parking lot under all of that. They're called Green P, and they are hourly, daily, and nightly parking. You can park there 24 hours a day if you want. I believe the going rate is $9 from 7 p.m. till 6 a.m. and then 6 a.m. till 7 p.m. is $25. So 25 and 9, that's 34 for a 24-hour period. At this time. Nice. Okay, let's go check out this bathroom. Decent sized bathroom. There's a shower curtain, but it does have the bend, so it won't stick to you. And it's nice cloth, and it's clean. A couple of soaps and shampoos. Got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash by Gilchrist and Soames. And just your standard shower head, basically. A couple of settings on it, maybe. A tub. Nice vanity here. Small, but oh, there's your hair dryer. A couple extra towels and toilet paper, and 2 face cloths. There's bar soap, and they also have Gilchrist and Soames hand wash and body lotion. Shelf, there's some plastic cups. Don't like them for the toilet. Decent toilet. Nothing unusual here. Painting and a nice well-lit mirror. And of course the magnifying mirror, which I can never look at. It's right there. Nice. It's a nice little bathroom. Okay, that'll just about do it here for this room tour. That is a nice chair. Oh, there's a bit of a stain there on the floor. Other than that, everything looks pretty clean. Oh yeah, I just noticed this too. I just found some more power solutions at the desk. 2 power outlets and 2 10 amp max USBs, both USB-A's. No USB-C in the room. If you like this room tour of room 2945 of the Sheraton Centre Hotel in downtown Toronto, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share it with somebody you know. Don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't. Stay safe and be nice to each other. Have a great day.